So look at that. Consider the following population and year graph. Here a population y axis में population, x axis में years दिया है. So this is a population year graph. 1985 में 92 crores था. ऐसे 1995 में 97 crores था. So question is फाइंड द स्लॉप. सबसे पहले स्लॉप निकालना. सो स्लॉप निकालने का फॉर्मूला है चेंज इन वाई ओवर चेंज इन एक्स, चेंज इन वाई ओवर चेंज इन एक्स, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, so which is equal to 97 minus 92 divided by 1995 minus 1985, so which is equal to 5 divided by 10, so which is equal to 1 by 2. That means the slope is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So now what the question is, ये use करके what will be the population in the year 2010 में. So 2010 में, we don't know if this line goes like this, somewhere here it meet हो जाएगा, right? Isn't it? Here. So 2010 में what is the population? So we don't know, we can call it as say some y, correct? And यही दो पॉइंट यूज करके we'll use these 2 points to find the slope. हमें अभी पता है slope is equal to 1 by 2. So आप बोल सकते हैं y minus 97 divided by, hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I don't know what happens. I think in between connection got some problem and I logged out and logged in. Okay. So first part तो already हमने बताया था. Now in 2010 में what is the population? So 2010 में it will be somewhere, we can see that it is somewhere here. So maybe it will be like here. So 2010, it maybe say some y. So we know that the slope is 1 by 2. So slope is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to change in y minus 97 divided by 2010 minus 1995. Isn't it? One second, let me connect my mobile. Somebody said something. Okay. So from here you can understand this is y minus 97 divided by 15, which is equal to 1 by 2. So 2y minus 97 into 2, 194 is equal to 15. So 2y is equal to 15 plus 194, so which is equal to 209. So y is equal to 209 divided by 2, which is equal to 104.5. That means this will be 104.5. That means in 2015, in what will be the population? That is 104.5 crores. Got it? Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to discuss different forms of equations of lines. So till now what we have seen is angle of elevation, sorry, angle of inclination, slope. Lines parallel to slopes equal, lines perpendicular to slopes are negative reciprocals of each other, then angle between the line. So now what we are going to discuss is different forms. There is a technical problem, so I just removed internet connection. I'm just using mobile connection. Okay, now the technical problem will not come. Okay, so various forms of equation of lines. Okay, this is what we are going to discuss. लाइंस का डिफरेंट इक्वेशन आपने तो ऑलरेडी लास्ट ईयर 10वीं क्लास में पढ़ाई किया है. व्हाट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ऑलवेज, आपने तो देखा होगा ना, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन two variable, linear equation two variable. This is the equation of a straight line, right? It's a straight line. Or linear equation two variable, that is graph is a straight line, isn't it? Am I right? ये पढ़ाई किया ना आपने 10वीं में. हेलो, रिस्पॉन्स तो दे दो.
Yes.
या सो फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आपने ओके 2x प्लस 2x plus 5y is equal to say some 10. This is a linear equation in two variable. So इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. So हमारा टेक्निक था, तो एक्स वाई, एक्स को वैल्यूज देंगे, करस्पॉन्डिंग वाई का वैल्यू निकालेंगे, एक्स को 0 दे देंगे तो 2 इंटू 0 0, 5y इज इक्वल टू 10, y इज इक्वल टू 2. y को 0 देंगे, y को 0 देंगे तो x इज इक्वल टू 5. So when we draw the line or when we draw the graph, we can see that we can plot the points, say 0 comma 2. So 0 comma 2 is somewhere here, so this is 0 comma 2, and 5 comma 0, so this is 5 comma 0. So this is a line, correct, isn't it? So linear equation in two variable always represents a straight line. Okay, there is nothing new in that, nothing new. So what we are going to do here is we are going to discuss some different forms of equations of lines. Okay, that's all. इसमें से कोई change नहीं है. Always linear equation two variable always represents a linear equation two variable always represents a straight line. Okay. Now, so now we are going to do different forms, that's all. We are going to see, what we are going to see is just different forms. इसको अलग अलग फॉर्म में बताएंगे, that's all. उसमें से कोई चेंज नहीं है. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस सम डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ओनली. अलग अलग फॉर्म में इसको पढ़ाई करेंगे, बट ये तो सही में लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, दैट्स अ इक्वेशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. अभी हम वेरियस फॉर्म्स, अलग अलग फॉर्म पढ़ाई करेंगे. सबसे पहले कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन? आपने तो पढ़ाई किया होगा. equation of horizontal line and equation of vertical line. Anybody? Can anybody tell me? What is the equation of a horizontal line and what is the equation of a vertical line?
Sir,
Huh?
equation of a horizontal line is equal to y is equal to any constant.
Yeah, y is equal to any constant, because correct. So this is x-axis, y-axis. Horizontal line का equation y is equal to c. c is a constant. ये आपने पढ़ाई किया था 10वीं में. So x-axis का equation है y is equal to 0, क्योंकि x एक्सिस में कोई भी पॉइंट आप ले लो y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0. अभी y इज इक्वल टू 5. y इज इक्वल टू 5 मतलब इट इज a horizontal line 5 units above the x axis. y is equal to 5. It is a horizontal line 5 units above the x axis. That's all. Then y is equal to -2. y is equal to -2 मतलब it is a horizontal line 2 units below the x axis. So this is y is equal to -2. Okay, so that's all. Horizontal line का equation हमेशा याद रख देना, y is equal to c. y is equal to a constant. So x axis का equation है, this is x axis. x axis का equation है y is equal to 0. y is equal to 5 मतलब it's a horizontal line 5 units above the x axis. y is equal to -2 मतलब it's a horizontal line 2 units below the x axis. Okay, because in this horizontal line y is equal to 5, x अलग अलग values होगा, but y is always constant. y is 5. So that is why y is equal to constant. That is the equation of a horizontal line. Now vertical line का equation, vertical line का equation, it is always x is equal to a, it is always x is equal to a constant. x is equal to c, or x is equal to a constant. So this is your y axis, this is your x axis. y एक्स का इक्वेशन है x is equal to 0, because you can see आप y axis में कोई भी पॉइंट ले लो. so इधर है तो मे बी 0,2, इधर होगा 0,3, इधर होगा 0,1, ये होगा, दिस इज ओरिजिन विच इज 0,0, इधर होगा 0,-1. सो अब वर्टिकल लाइन में किधर भी आप पॉइंट ले लो, इधर तो x y axis में x is equal to 0, so x will be always constant. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 6, so उसका मतलब it's a vertical line. So this is x is equal to 6 मतलब it's a vertical line 6 unit to the right side of origin, either to the right side of y axis, or x is equal to -2, x is equal to -2, or x is equal to -1. x is equal to -1 matlab it is a horizontal vertical line 1 unit to the left side of the y axis. So always equation of a vertical line is x is equal to constant. So ये दो concept clear होना चाहिए. horizontal line का equation y is equal to constant, vertical line का equation x is equal to constant. Clear? Shall we move to next?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
then next idea is point स्लॉप फॉर्म बोल, लाइन का पॉइंट स्लॉप. पॉइंट स्लॉप मतलब वन पॉइंट एंड स्लॉप, ये दो चीज will be given. You have to find the equation of the line. Suppose you have a line, so you have a line, उसमें से एक पॉइंट से x, this is a point, so we can call it as a x1 y1. So let it be, this is given. Okay, this is given. And they also said slope is equal to m. So these are the two things, one point on the line and slope of the line. It is given. So you have to find the equation of the line. Okay, equation of the line. We need equation of the line. Okay, right? So how we will find that? So what we will do is look at that. Proof आपको पढ़ाई करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, but simple idea. P, say x comma y, be any point. Okay, be any point on the line. हमें पता है slope. Slope is equal to change in y divided by change in x, and slope is given as m. M is equal to change in y. Change in y is y minus y1 divided by change in x, x minus x1. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इधर 1 ने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो y माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू m इंटू x माइनस x1. So that is the equation, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation to find the equation of a line when one point and slope is given. Okay, for example, uh, equation of a line passing through minus 4 comma 3 and slope is equal to 1 by 2. देखो what is given, one point is given, slope is given. So now you can use this formula. You have a formula with you to find the equation of the line. So 10th class में आपने क्या पढ़ाई किया था, आपको इक्वेशन देगा, you have to draw the graph. अभी 11th में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, they will give us some clues and we have to find the equation of the straight line. Reverse process, we have to find the equation of the straight line. Okay, so here a point is given, slope is given. So equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 3 is equal to slope is 1 by 2 into x minus x1 is minus 4. So x minus minus 4, that is x plus 4. So ho gaya, that is the equation. This is the equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but if you want, you can simplify that. So if you simplify it, what you will get is, see this. If you write like this, this is enough. It's okay. Okay. But if you simplify that, what you will get is y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2x plus 4 into 1 by 2, that is 2. Or in
2.
other words, 1 by 2x minus y right side में लेके
is
गया,
equal
plus 2 is there,
5
plus 3 is equal to 0.
is equal to
So
0.
that means 1 by 2x minus y. If you want, it is plus 5 is equal to 0 or is equal to minus 5. So आपको
minus 5.
इक्वेशन मिला है ना. So और सिंपलीफाई करना, तो 2 से हर जगह मल्टीप्लाई करो. So x minus
x
2 minus
2y
2y is equal to minus 10 हो गया. So आपको क्या मिला? What you got is the same thing. Linear
yes,
equation,
sir.
2 variable. But
2
वो
variable.
निकालने के लिए अभी अलग अलग टेक्निक्स, जैसे so first thing is, one तो हमने देखा horizontal line and vertical line. Now point slope for, आपको line में एक point देगा x1 y1 and they will give you a slope. So how to find the equation of the line? So this is the most important formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the,
x1.
एंड उस फॉर्मूला को आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो इधर भी आपको देख सकते हैं, इट इज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल, देयर आर टू वेरिएबल्स y एंड x, लीनियर इक्वेशन क्योंकि x एंड y का पावर 1 है. सो इट्स ओके, यू कैन लीव द आंसर हियर, बट if you want you can simplify further more and you can write in the form ax plus by is equal to c form पे लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so this is the first and most important thing, equation of a line in point slope form. Okay, now next 2-point form. 2-point form मतलब they will give 2 points, given 2 points, say P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 on the line. That means आपके पास एक लाइन है, लाइन में उन्होंने आपको 2 पॉइंट्स दिया है, से x1 y1 से x2 y2, and tell me how to find the equation. How to find the equation? We have the formula. एक देखो, एक पॉइंट है तो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला था ना, y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. This formula was with us. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. अभी हमारा प्रॉब्लम इधर है, क्या है, हमें तो स्लोप पता नहीं, राइट, isn't it? बट
Yes, sir.
हमारे पास 2
Yes,
पॉइंट्स
sir.
है, सो स्लोप निकाल सकते हैं ना. व्हाट इज द
Yes,
फॉर्मूला टू
sir.
फाइंड स्लोप? चेंज इन y, y2 minus y1 डिवाइडेड बाय
Wha-
x2 minus x1.
ch-
तो स्लोप मिल
Change in
जाएगा.
x.
बाकी तो सेम है, x minus x1 बाकी तो सेम है.
Yes, sir.
सो हो गया. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. This is known as 2-point formula. That is 2-point form. Means
Form.
finding the equation of the line if 2 points are given. For example, find the equation of line passing through -1 1 and 2 minus 4. देखो, सो इधर 2 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन, सो हमें वो लाइन का इक्वेशन निकालना है. सो हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है y minus y1 is equal to change in y over change in x, that means slope actually, into x minus x1. कोई तो एक को आप x1 y1 पकड़ो, दिस इज x1 y1, next one is x2 y2. So y minus y1 is equal to change in y, so -4 minus 1 divided by change in x, 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, into x minus x1, x minus minus 1 x plus 1. So आपको मिलेगा y minus 1 is equal to -4 minus 1 minus 5 divided by 3 into x plus 1. हो गया आंसर. Okay, that is enough. If you want you can further simplify. कैसे करेंगे? Just multiply with 3, cross multiply. So 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. 5x right side में लेके आओ. 5x plus 3y is equal to, ये 5x को राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आया, -3 को राइट साइड में लेके आया, -5, that is -2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what if you write only up to here, that is okay. Okay, so ho gaya. So this is known as 2.4. So in this chapter what we are discussing is how to find the equation of the line in different situations. हमें ऑलरेडी तो पता है लाइन का इक्वेशन हमेशा लीनियर इक्वेशन 2 वेरिएबल ही होगा. सो वो कैसे निकालेंगे, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग. सो पहले देखा हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, देन वर्टिकल लाइन, देन लाइन में एक पॉइंट एंड लाइन का स्लोप दिया है तो कैसे निकालेंगे. द नेक्स्ट इज लाइन में 2 पॉइंट्स दिया है तो कैसे निकालेंगे. ओके ओके. नाउ next question, next thing, next form that is known as slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So what is given is from the name itself, it is given two things. One is slope, दूसरा intercept. Intercept मतलब y intercept, y intercept, that is known as slope intercept form. So देखो आपके पास very simple chapter, आपके पास एक लाइन है. Okay, this is your line. So उन्होंने बोला this y intercept, here the y intercept है ना, so let it be c. Given y intercept, let given given y intercept is equal to c, that means that point is 0 comma c. Okay, and also given slope is equal to m. Okay, slope is equal to m. So how to find the equation? हमारे पास पॉइंट देखो, एक पॉइंट है, दिस इज ए पॉइंट ना, and slope is there, so point slope form is there, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, correct? This is not, this is point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. अभी देखो हमारा पॉइंट क्या है इधर, y minus y1 is c is equal to slope is m into x minus x1, x1 is 0. So y minus c is equal to m into x, mx minus m into 0 0. So आपको मिलेगा y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c. This is known as slope intercept form. This is known as slope intercept form. Understood? वैसे लिखने का फायदा है कि say suppose y is equal to 5x plus 1 by 2. So आप डायरेक्ट बोल सकते हैं slope is equal to 5 and y intercept is equal to 1 by 2. That is the advantage of this. Got it? If you write in the slope intercept form, we can easily say y is equal to mx. This is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So जो m के जगह आएगा that is slope, जो c के जगह आएगा that is y intercept. So y से लिखने का एक फायदा वही है. So we can write slope and intercept directly from the equation. Okay. You got it? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And next form. Next form is known as intercept form. Intercept form मतलब both intercept. They will give you both intercept. That means x intercept and y intercept. They will give, what they will give is both intercept, x intercept and y intercept. So situation ऐसे है कि look at x and y axis. This is your line. So if they say x intercept is a and y intercept is b, okay, so उसका मतलब एक्स इंटरसेप्ट ए मतलब जो एक्स एक्स को कट करते, दैट पॉइंट इज ए, दैट मीन्स दैट पॉइंट इज ए कोमा 0. जो वाई इंटरसेप्ट जो वाई को कट करते, दैट पॉइंट इज बी, दैट मीन्स 0 कोमा बी. ओके, सो हमें इक्वेशन कैसे मिलेगा? सो हमारे पास जो फॉर्मूला है y माइनस वाई वन इज इक्वल टू m इंटू एक्स माइनस एक्स वन, राइट? y माइनस वाई वन इज इक्वल टू m इंटू एक्स माइनस एक्स वन. सो इसको आप x1 y1 कंसिडर करो, इसको x2 y2 कंसिडर करो. स्लोप इज इक्वल टू चेंज इन y, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that is b minus 0 divided by x2, 0 minus a, that is आपको मिलेगा minus b by a. So now equation is y minus y1 y minus y1 is equal to 0 is equal to slope हमें मिला है minus b by a into x minus x1, x minus x1 is a. So that means y is equal to minus b by a into x minus a. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा ए वाई इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी इंटू एक्स माइनस ए. दैट मीन्स ए वाई इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी एक्स प्लस ए बी. और राइट साइड में आएंगे तो बी एक्स, राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा बी एक्स प्लस ए वाई इज इक्वल टू ए बी. नाउ डिवाइड बाई ए बी ऑन बोथ साइड्स. So it will be like this, bx by ab plus ay by ab is equal to ab by ab. So आप देख सकते हैं इधर का b कट हो जाएगा, सो आपको मिलेगा x by a प्लस इधर का a कट हो जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा y by b is equal to ab by ab कट हो जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा 1 by 1. So this equation is known as intercept form. Got it? So if these
Yes.
points if these points are say 3 comma 0 or minus 3 comma 0, and this point is say some 0 comma 2, so this line has equation x by minus 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. सो ऐसे आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. नहीं तो आपके पास एक इक्वेशन उन्होंने दिया x बाई 5 प्लस वाई बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1. सो इक्वेशन देख के आप बता सकते हैं x इंटरसेप्ट इज इक्वल टू 5 एंड y इंटरसेप्ट इज इक्वल टू 2. Got it? So that is a intercept form. So we have seen different forms. One is horizontal line, that is y is equal to constant. Then vertical line, that is x is equal to constant. Then point slope form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then 2-point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to slope y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Then slope intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus c. Then intercept form, which is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are x intercept. A is x intercept and b is y intercept. Either m is the slope, c is the y intercept. Either x1 y1 x2 y2 are the two given points. Either x1 y1 is a given point and m is the slope. Here both case c is constant. So these are the different forms of line. So when you simplify this, you will get linear equation one variable, two variable only. And one more form is there that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, clear?